Hybrid, we think of that as combining two processes, CNC machining, metal additive manufacturing. Additec has a hybrid system combining three processes. Pete Zielinski, Additive Manufacturing Media. I'm at Formnext in Frankfurt, Germany. So this hybrid system that Additec is showing combines CNC machining with wire arc DED, directed energy deposition, and liquid metal jetting, 3D printing with precisely directed droplets of metal, also from wire feedstock. Different advantages to these different additive processes. The DED, a way to 3D print with hard metals, Inconel, titanium, and machine as you go, as you can with a hybrid system. The liquid metal jetting process is a way to 3D print with metals with lower melting point, aluminum, copper, and so this hybrid system offers a way to create parts that blend these two metals, complex 3D printed forms, machine as you go. A limitation of the liquid metal jetting process is it has to have just the right temperature, so it's height limited because heat conducts through the workpiece as it gets taller and taller. The other additive process actually addresses that. The DED part of a multi-material part could keep the component warm, so the liquid metal jetting could be applied at higher build heights. This is a prototype machine, but Additec expects to supply hybrid machines like this on standard vertical machining centers starting next year.